I guess by now you've certainly heard of the term social selling, right? But you might not be entirely sure what it means. Is it the same as social media marketing? No. What about social media advertising? No, that's something else altogether. So just what is social selling? Is it simply one more digital buzzword? Social selling is about finding and engaging with prospects and customers online. Each time you log into a social media network to identify new prospects, connect with them and provide value by answering questions and sharing relevant content, you are social selling. The modern consumer is independent and informed. They're likely to use social media to research products and make recommendations, according to HubSpot. 74% of B2B buyers conduct more than half of their research online before making a purchase or contacting a key person. Prospects are talking about their needs on social networks. They're asking questions about issues in the industry. They're revealing valuable intelligence online as they seek advice from their own networks. It only stands to reason that, if salespeople are on these social media sites too, they can leverage the information that prospects are sharing. They can get in front of these prospects on their own turf, and they can increase their sales results because of it. So, how do you sell on social media? Well, the answer is, you don't. At least, not directly. Instead, you will move them out of the social media to email. That will be your first step. If you're concerned about adopting social selling without making prospects uncomfortable, there are a couple of guidelines based upon the research from Social-Centered Selling and A Sales Guy, which can help. Number 1. Buyers are less likely to find social selling creepy if they share connections with the salesperson. Number 2. Customized messages are perceived to be less creepy than generic messages. Number 3. Buyers think social selling on Facebook is creepier than social selling on any other network. So, social selling is basically another way of networking, and we should treat it that way. Social selling is nothing new. It's the way that business has always been done. It's the salesperson's job to get to know a person or the company. In the old days, we did that by going to somebody's office and looking at their walls, looking at the books they read, the degree of the school they went to, the knickknacks they collect. We did that to figure out what we had in common to start the conversation. Today, we do it by walking in the person's digital footprint, says John Ferreira, the CEO and founder of Nimble, marketing automation tool.